Apply TCC Dual Credit Application. These instructions are intended for students interested in attending a Tarrant County College dual-enrolled program. There are two parts to the application process. The first is to create a profile, and the second is to complete the actual application. Before you start your Apply TCC application, make sure you have or know the following. Personal email address. This will be your username for the Apply TCC account. Social Security number, or SSN. Not required to apply for admissions, but is highly recommended. Permanent resident alien number, if applicable. Go to tccd.edu. Click on Admissions at the top of the page. Select Apply for Admissions. Select Dual Credit. Select Step 2. Apply online now with Apply TCC to fill out an application. Click on the Create Account tab located at the top left. Enter the required profile information and make sure to use your full legal name. Type in your high school name and it should pop up. If your school does not appear, select School Not Found. If you are a homeschooled student, click Homeschool and type in the name of your school. Under Enrollment Information, select the following: Academic Level, Undergraduate. Admit Type, Dual Credit, receiving both high school and college credit. Entry Term, select which semester you would like to begin. Academic Program, Dual Credit / Early High School Enrollment. Be sure to create a strong password that you can remember, as you may need to log back in. Save your email and password that you use to create your account on a note in your phone, or write it down somewhere safe. Select I'm Not a Robot and click on Create Account to continue to the application. Check the email you use and verify your email address. Before selecting Create a New Application, scroll down to My Profile and confirm the information you entered is correct. Select Create a New Application. Select Start a New Undergraduate Application. Select Start Your Application. Fill out the information on the application tabs. The questions marked with a red asterisk are required. Personal info. Most of this information will already be filled out. Make sure to double-check your personal info and fill out other important information, such as your birth date and middle name, if applicable. Save and continue. Demographics. Select your citizenship status. Enter your Social Security number, or SSN. It's not required for the application, but it is recommended. Enter your birth city. Optionally, select your ethnicity. Save and continue. Residency. The information in this section determines the cost of your tuition. Answers to these questions vary for each student. If you have questions about your residency status, contact the Admissions and Registrar Office on the TCC campus in your service area. Are you a resident of Texas? Select Yes if you have lived in Texas for 12 consecutive months. Will you have lived in Texas all 12 months preceding the semester for which you are applying? Select Yes if you've lived in Texas for a year. If you haven't lived in Texas for a year, select No. Texas Public College Attendance. Select No, or if you have taken dual credit with another college, select Yes and list the college or university attended. Did or will you graduate from high school or complete a high school equivalency in Texas? Select Yes. Residency during high school? Select Yes. Do you file your own federal income tax as an independent taxpayer? Select No. Dependent? Select Yes. Is your parent or guardian a U.S. citizen? Select whichever answer applies to you and the following questions if needed. Save and continue. Program of study. Entry term. Select which semester you would like to begin. The fall semester is August through December, the spring semester is January through May, and the summer semester is June through August. Admit type. Select dual credit, receiving both high school and college credit. Academic program. Select dual credit / early high school enrollment. Educational objective. Select earn credits to transfer. Degree sought. Select core curriculum only. Preferred campus. Select the campus in your service area. Did you attend a regionally accredited college or university for the first time before fall 2007? Select No. Are you applying for admission through the College Access Program? Select No. CEE student. Select Yes if you participated in College for Kids, CFK, when you were younger. If not, select No. TCCD University Partnerships. If you are considering transferring to UTA, Tarleton, or Texas Wesleyan, select that from the drop-down list. If you are not planning on attending any of these colleges, skip this question. College plans. Select no for all 3 questions. If your ISD will not cover all or a portion of your TCC tuition, and you need financial assistance with paying for dual credit classes, contact the dual credit office on the TCC campus in your service area. Decision factors. Answer if you prefer, or skip this question. Save and continue. Academic history. Enter and confirm your high school information. Did you or will you graduate from high school? Select yes. Enter your expected graduation date, or if you don't know the exact date, select June 1st of that year. Colleges attended. Select Add College and list all other colleges attended prior to TCC. For example, if you have participated in on-ramps, then you will enter UT Austin. If you have not attended any other colleges, skip this question. Consent and submit. Read these questions and select yes for all 3. Complete signature and date, and click Submit Application. Congratulations! You have applied as a dual credit student with Tarrant County College. TCC will process your application within 24 to 48 business hours. Be sure to check the email you used to apply for your acceptance notification, TCC student ID number, and the additional instructions for setting up your TCC student account.